I can sing, can I? Hey, policeman, don't sow this term, the zinger.
Hi everyone, my name is Victor Lobin. I'm product manager here at Gurtam, working specifically at the Yellow platform.
I'm Alexandra. I'm head of product.
I'm Lena, and I'm project manager here in product development.
I'm Nastasia Maslovskaya, a product manager at Gurtam.
I'm Katerina, and I'm product manager for Yellow platform.
What do you do at Gurtam?
What I'm trying to do here, that's a good question. Trying to make the Yellow platform alive and successful.
I'm a person who answers no professionally, but with love.
I'm here to make life easier and be helpful. Also, I'm a person who constantly asks when we are going to release it.
I listen, research, experiment, and help our teams build things that actually solve problems, not create new ones, at least most of the time.
I connect ideas, users, and developers, and try to make sure they understand each other.
Describe your job responsibilities in 3 words.
Constant customer obsession.
Juggle, align, survive.
Go, team, deadline.
Research, decision, and hope.
Making things happen.
Worst phrase to hear on a Friday afternoon?
That we are skipping the party after the release or after the delivering something.
Please, 5 minutes call. We know that it's usually not 5 minutes.
Hi, Lena. I found an urgent bug.
Are you still here?
I totally forgot to tell you. I'm on holiday next week.
What's one tool or app you can't live without, and why?
I would say Notepad, but if we are talking about the software tools, probably I would name Miro, because that's the closet that gives you the capability to ideate fast, to share ideas, and communicate across the team.
Google Calendar for sure. Thanks to it, I have almost full time organized.
It's really hard to pick just one, but I rely on Jira. On your track. But also I really need Slack, Miro, and Google Calendar.
Obsidian or something like it. I need a home for my brilliant ideas and my endless questions. Otherwise, they vanish faster than I can think then.
I cannot live without some AI magic. You know, all those text generating and research tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and they help me research, write requirements, summarize huge piles of data. And sometimes when I have some furious message, they really help me to make it sound nice and perfectly polite. Absolute lifesaver.
Slack or email?
Slack.
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 Email.
It depends. Or let's discuss it offline.
It depends.
It depends.
Let's discuss it offline.
Let's discuss it offline.
Let's discuss it offline.
Dark mode or light mode?
Dark mode.
Light mode.
Light mode.
Light mode.
Both?
Morning stand-up or afternoon sync?
Morning stand-up.
Morning stand-up.
Morning.
Morning stand-up.
Afternoon sync.
Deadline or no hard deadline?
Deadline.
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 Of course, no hard deadline.
Calls or in-person meetings?
In-person meetings.
In-person meetings.
Calls.
In-person meetings.
In-person meetings.
Saying no or asking for more time?
Asking for more time.
Asking more time.
Say no.
Saying no.
No is better.
We'll fix it later, or let's do it properly now.
We will fix it later.
We'll fix it later for sure.
We'll fix it later.
Properly now, of course.
Of course, let's do it properly now.
Best compliment, on time or under budget?
We don't have a specific budget in our case, so it's on time.
Better than expectations.
On time.
On time, maybe.
Budget? What budget?
If you could send a message back to yourself 3 years ago, what would it be?
Practice customer communication as a habit on the weekly basis.
Please start to use magnesium. It has a cumulative effect.
Relax, you'll figure it out. And yes, everything will change right after you finish planning it.
The platform is coming.
Lena, find a crystal ball. It will really help you.
How do you balance business goals with user needs when they don't align perfectly?
I would say that business priorities, the markets and the demands of the markets, they should dominate. And to me, it's like strange if we have some requests from the customers. Maybe we are doing something wrong. So the answer is twofold. Business priorities first, but we need to communicate and discuss what's going wrong if they misalign.
Diplomacy, spreadsheets, and lots of magic, for sure.
The team relies on our amazing product manager. As usual, we're searching solution by checking the values, the difficulty, and our speed.
I balance them the same way I balance everything else, by explaining a lot, prioritizing, and bargaining along the way. Okay?
I shift discussion from feature wishes to the real problem we are solving. Once we agree the real problem, the conversation changes completely. The argument stops, and the final decision makes sense to everyone involved.
What does a good day look like for a product or project manager?
A day without meetings, obviously.
A good day is when nothing is on fire, no one drops a let's jump on a 5-minute call, and I have time for research and metrics.
Perfect day is a holiday, right? State holidays, parent day, you name it.
A good day is a smooth day, is a clear day without any unexpected things.
Sound realistic? Maybe.
How do you stay on top of market trends?
To stand on the top of the market trends, we need to stand on the top of our customers' needs. That's what they do pay for. And the single important action that we can do is to talk to our customers as much as we can.
What's the hardest part about managing products in IT?
Keeping roadmaps stable long enough for marketing to print it out.
Managing and aligning conflicting priorities and, of course, unexpected technical difficulties.
Saying no to good ideas, explaining why it's never one button or a 5-minute thing, and living with the fact that the backlog multiplies faster than our capacity.
Accepting that some things are not perfect, but they need to stay this way because we need to move forward.
What's your PM guilty pleasure?
Spending a bit more on research of competitors and customers.
Alignment with all departments around us.
Maybe to spend 1 full hour searching a new perfect template for planning and to come back and use old one, which I really trust.
Sharing new metrics with the team, it's the easiest way to say, guys, look, we made something great without actually saying it.
Closing tasks or ticking off the boxes on to-do checklists. Mischief managed.
Which TV, movie, or book character would make the best or worst PM?
I would say movie hero, basically Steve Jobs in his biopic movie, because he was really a strong PM.
The worst one, I could say Jack Sparrow, Captain Jack Sparrow. The project usually succeeds, but we don't know how, why, and what the budget was.
Hermione Granger would be the best one. First, she has an excellent organization skill. Second, she is a great risk manager. And finally, she can be in several places at once when it's needed.
The worst project manager? Obviously Voldemort. Sure, he had this perfect roadmap of 7 Horcruxes and he almost completed it. I'll give him that. Impressive planning. But then he tried to kill that little boy and everything went downhill. And 0 team communication, 0 contingency planning. All in all, epic fail.
If your job had a theme song, what would it be?
Another one bites the dust.
Another one bites the dust, and another one gone, and another one gone.
It's a final countdown. Under pressure.
Under pressure. Pressure. It's a kind of magic. It's a kind of magic.
Unstoppable by Sia. And Runaway by Kanye West.